In order to get a very quick and easy voice-to-text function on a Mac, all you need to do is press the FN key twice. This key is on the bottom left corner of your keyboard. When you press FN twice, you should see this microphone symbol appear. All you need to do is speak clearly, and you should see your speech be converted to text. This function works anywhere you can type text. So you can use it in Microsoft Word, you can use it in Google, in PowerPoint, or wherever. When you are done, you can press the FN key again to stop. If you find that this is not working, there are a couple of things you can do. Firstly, go to System Preferences on your computer. Click on the keyboard icon. Then select the Dictation option. Make sure Dictation is turned on. If it still doesn't work, then we can do the oldest computer trick in the book and try turning our device off and on again.